A line is determined by 2 points. It turns out that any 2 points on a line determine a slope. Slope of a line through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. The slope of the line through those points is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. For example, the slope of the line through the points 3, -4 and -5, 7 is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, so 7 minus -4 divided by -5 minus 3. We simplify and find -11 over 8. A couple of remarks regarding the slope of a line. Note that the slope is also called the change in y over the change in x, or the rise over the run. And these concepts are illustrated on the following graph. The change in x is called the run, the change in y is called the rise. 2. The slope is independent of the 2 points we choose on the line. If the slope is positive, then the line rises from left to right. If the slope is negative, then the line falls from left to right. The slope is not defined when x1 is equal to x2, but then the line is vertical. So this is very important to remember. The slope of a vertical line is undefined. The slope is 0 when y1 equals y2, but then the line is horizontal. So the slope of a horizontal line is 0. Equations of lines are linear in x and y. An example is 3 times x plus 5 times y is 7. There are several forms in which we can write an equation of a line. We start with the very important point-slope form. The point-slope form of the equation of the line through the point x1, y1 with slope m is given by y minus y1 is the slope m times x minus x1. To write down an equation of a line, we need in general a point on that line and the slope of that line. Then we can use the point-slope form to write down an equation of that line. Let's consider the example on page 22. Find an equation of the line through the point -2, 3 with slope 4. We use the point-slope form. Y minus y1 is the slope times x minus x1. So we get y minus 3 is 4 times x minus -2. We simplify, we FOIL out, we move the 3 to the right, and we end up with y is 4x plus 11. We mention all the important forms of an equation of a line and some special cases of lines. The first is the general form. ax plus by is equal to c. An example is 2x minus 3y is 5. The point-slope form. Y minus y1 is m times x minus x1. The third one is the slope-intercept form. Y is mx plus b. An equation of the line with slope m and y-intercept b, which means that the line is going to the point 0b, is y is mx plus b. The fourth one is about the vertical line. X is equal to a. An equation for the vertical line through the point AB is x equals a. We have also the horizontal line. Y is equal to b. An equation for the horizontal line through the point AB is y is equal to b.